So, since both the lab and the homework require a video, I'm actually just going to do both of them in this one video. So I don't have to record two separate things because that just seems a bit tedious. So, yeah. Alright, first things first. Um. Okay, so let's see. For chapter 3, we needed a simple add on and a object collector. So let me go ahead and delete this. Code wise, simple panels right here. I'll scroll all the way to the top. I'll be honest, it's called simple panel, and there's like almost like in concept it's simple, but there's so much stuff going on in this one panel. But I'm gonna just scroll slowly so you can kind of see that it's everything they wanted. And the object collector is it already here? No. Object collector is a little smaller, but not really. Here it is. There. Let me go ahead and just add some meshes randomly. Okay. Alright. And let me stop showing that because that's obnoxious. Okay. So let's see. It doesn't say what they do here. That's funny. Okay. Well, here it is. Our panel, the simple panel, is right here. At the end of it, if you click on it, it'll highlight what's the images in here, and then I'm pretty sure if you keep adding stuff, yeah, it'll say there's like 2 more objects. Yeah, and then if you highlight them all, you can add random location. Let's see, amount, I'm pretty sure is how much, so we'll just click OK and it'll do that. And then, let's see, what else am I missing? I believe that is it for that one. I feel like I'm forgetting like one other. Wasn't there like a? Let me see this. Double checking. Wasn't there a? Yeah, here it is. I knew there was something that was missing. Pretty sure if you. Yeah, there we go. Create type collections, and if you click on it, it'll set them into their corresponding thing. The funny part though is and even in the book it says like it duplicates it, but I don't think they actually show you how to not duplicate it. So now there's just 2 sets of it. It's odd. Where's this one? But yeah, and then chapter 5 was basically showing you how to do panels and whatnot. So that's why there's stuff here. So that's that one finished. For the homework, you wanted us to do basically another panel. So here's my panel. It's here. It's called Logan's Panels. If you click here, you got my panel, and then I made a coffee icon on like Photoshop. So then we go here. Pretty sure it's like right here. Yeah, here's the stuff for the custom loading part, and displaying the stuff right here as well. Elevate. You wanted us to create the elevate thing, which is right here. So let me just add a thing. I did not. There we go. Cube. Oh yeah, I forgot. If you click on this, right click, elevate. It shows up right there. Same thing with the button. If you click on it, pops up right here. So let's just do. I don't know. Let's just do like this. And you can't move it down because I'm pretty sure it moved it down. Oh, it's because I don't have the constraints on. There we go. And then I'm pretty sure, yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's working. Elevate buttons right there. That was part of the homework. Creating this array thing. Alright, this was something. I had more trouble with actually making the buttons and everything than actually the logic of this, but here, columns 3, let's do like, I don't know, like 6. Oh yeah, I forgot I did that. For the object elevator showing up in the panels, it's just this part. It just makes a button. And then for the object array that I made right here, let's see here. So I learned this when looking it up on how to do it, but you can register scene enums. That's how I'm getting the stuff here. Basically, I set the default to 1 because I'm pretty sure somewhere here it says you have to at least have a default to something, so it defaults to 1, and then the minimum is 1, so it can't go any lower than 1, and then the max is 4. That's why that's there. And then it's an enum, which you'll see like right here. And this enum is confusing as hell. I got cube, and then spawn cubes, which I'm pretty sure is like, yeah, if you hover over it, it's just called spawn cubes or something. But yeah, this was something. Registering the stuff. If you scroll down, here is the panel. It'll draw basically how I split it into different columns. Let's see. Yeah, scene columns. Scene rows. It's basically just referencing rows and columns right here, or at least the properties right there. And then the last one is an operator, which is the button again, which I call spawn meshes. And when you click on that, it'll call this ID for this class operator, and it's just a simple for loop between the columns and ranges, and it just does the cool stuff here. And it's just a if-else statement. If the user's choice enum is a cube, spawn cubes. If not, spawn spheres. And then it just finishes. So go here. It'll say cube, spawn it. Look at that! Yay! And then if you put the spheres, let's put this to 1. Look at that! Woo! All right, cool. All right, see you tomorrow.